Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel. And today we're going to be going back into the Amazon tool deals and looking at tools that are either on sale, tools that even at their full price or list price I believe to be good deals, or tools I find interesting and would like your guys' thoughts on. If you guys have purchased them, or you own them, or you've used them, anything like that. So, first up on the list today is actually a product from Williams. 100 Papa-8 mic Delta. This is an 8-piece premium mix screwdriver set. So this product alone has 4.5 stars at 808 ratings. There's a fair amount of Williams products on here and some decent ones for some good prices. So I figured I'd give this one a mention. I know I've done some screwdriver videos in the past, and I'll have some more coming out here soon. So I wanted to make sure and just throw this one in there. I don't think this is a bad price at all. So these screwdrivers are made in the USA. For $62.30, I believe I've seen them on sale, possibly as low as $55, but I think even at this price, I think it's a fantastic deal. 8 screwdrivers, it's under $10 a screwdriver. I mean, that's pretty good. You do have the hex shank at the base of 6 of them, so you can, put a wrench on there if you need extra leverage or anything like that. It's not a feature that I really use, but it is a handy feature to have, especially if you are one of those people that uses that. It does have the nice, square handle design, hard handle. Now, keep in mind, Snap-on most likely is not going to warranty this on the truck or anything like that. So warranty may be an issue depending, if you have somebody that will warranty Williams products. So just keep that in mind. It might be something that you have to do directly with Williams, and I'm not sure how they are with the Amazon sold tools. It's just not something I'm familiar with. But here it is. It's got the flat faces for four-sided, prevent rolling. Here's just some information on the blades and everything if you guys want to pause and read that. Here you can see the Enduro grip, the hex bolster that I mentioned before, and then here is everything included in the set. So I think for $62 with 4.5 stars, 808 ratings, I think it's a pretty good set to consider if you're looking for a good quality USA made screwdriver set. Next up, we have Klein Tools Delta 502-6. It's their 6-inch yellow dipped tongue and groove pliers, made in the USA for $18.49, down from $22.50. So a couple dollars savings there. I think that's priced pretty well. Now it's just your common, tongue and groove pliers. No fancy features or push button or anything like that, but still a good quality set of tongue and groove pliers for a really reasonable price. So I think it's a pretty good purchase if you guys are in need of some tongue and groove pliers. I think under $20 for a USA made set, that's fantastic. This has 4.5 stars at 141 ratings, so rated highly and rated a decent amount. A little bit of information right here if you guys would like to pause and take a look at that. Next up, we're looking at a product I actually purchased back in 2019, the beginning of 2019 actually. This is a fantastic product. I really enjoy it. This is the ERNST Bit Boss. I've mentioned it in a couple. I did a video specifically on this, but I think I've mentioned it in the past on my Amazon videos, and this is just a fantastic bit organizer. If you have a bunch of bits laying around, or you have a bunch of those small little containers with bits in them, and you just have multiple of them, this really helps you just bring them all together, save a lot of space, or keep them organized if they're just kind of thrown in somewhere. So you have different slots here for your longer bits. You can lay them down. I think there's 18 spots for the ones laying down or horizontal, and then you got a bunch for the vertical bits or your smaller bits. If you're keeping this in a shallow drawer, this is how I would lay it out, minus these 2 chuck adapters. But here you can kind of see the layout of it. I'll just maximize the photo so you can see it there. So, and if you wanted, if you bought 2 of these, you could put the vertical ones all on one tray, and then the horizontal ones, they do slide off. They're on rails, so you can actually remove each one of these rails individually and take it, or you can take the whole tray with you. It's just like the ERNST Socket Boss. It's a 2-rail system, one that I really enjoy, and it is also made in the USA. And this is the high vis one for $19.99, down from $21.95. They do have the black one. This is actually the one that I have, and this one starts the pricing at $15.86. This has 4.5 stars at 660 ratings, and it's a product that I've really enjoyed. It saved me a lot of space from having a bunch of those little bit trays or bit bifold organizers. So just a very handy product and designed very well. Next up is a product from Duratec. This is a 56-piece 1/4-inch mini ratchet wrench screwdriver set. So you got two little sets here. You got a 60-tooth and a 72-tooth. Just a couple different bit ratchets, and you get some sockets and a bunch of miscellaneous bits. I would rather purchase something like this over getting a large tool set that's just like a bunch of bits thrown into it. I would rather get something specific for the bits that I want. Now I saw this, and this one's priced really well, you know, at $24 down from $28. It has 4.5 stars at 450 ratings. It's S2 steel, chrome vanadium. You know, everything's labeled. I mean, it's a nice little set. Magnetic, pass through. You get a few sockets included as well. Here you can pause if you would like and kind of read that, which includes everything that's, you know, in the set. But they also, you know, there's a lot of other brands out there. You know, you got the nice one from Sunex. This is a nice little one as well. It's just a single set, $27 down from $34. Still a nice little set. And then you got like the one from Gearwrench. This one's $20.53, 4.5 stars at 4,723 ratings. I would rather purchase things like this, or like the small bifolds that I was talking about before, rather than buying a socket set that's just filled with miscellaneous bits just to bump the numbers up on the socket set. So I think these little sets are very handy, so I figured I'd just mention a few of them real quickly. Let me know if there's a specific brand or specific set that you guys went with when it comes to something like this. And obviously Duratec is not the, you know, highest quality stuff, but these are very low torque tools that, you know, you really shouldn't have to worry about breaking unless you're just cranking on this thing, you know. So I think these will do just fine, but once again, there's other brands that make very similar sets. Then last up in today's video is the Knipex 8701180. It's the Knipex 7.25-inch Cobra pliers. These are $26.50 right now, down from $28.50. So a couple dollars savings, not a big deal. I think anytime you see a Knipex product in the $20 price range, it's definitely a buy. I have probably 10 different Knipex pliers, and they've all been fantastic. So I just saw these, and there was a little bit of savings on it, so I figured I'd throw it in. Keep in mind they have a huge lineup, but these Cobra pliers are just fantastic. The bite on them, the adjustable tooth, the amount of adjustability that you have, made in Germany, just some fantastic pliers. Can't really say anything bad about them. I haven't really had a bad experience with any of my Knipex pliers, so it's definitely something that I recommend. Let me know your guys' thoughts on this week's list, and I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, please make sure to hit that thumbs up. Keep in mind, all of these tools will be linked down in the description underneath the tools and tools continued link. And comment below your guys' thoughts on these tools. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. See you guys next time.